Hello, subscribers. I am Ralph C. Calamba and I am here with Troy.
Hi guys!
So this is our program. Chandidadang Mechanical Engineering Board Exam Reviewer Program. So we've used a little additions of preprocessor commands like kunayo.h, who has a member data command like getch, puts, fclose, and etc. Windows.h, which is associated with another preprocessor command like dos.h, time.h, stdlibrary.h, and ctype.h, which has a member data command or data type like topper and etc. In addition with system clear screen. So here are the introduction of our program. Ding, ding, ding. So as we can see, enter S to start, enter V to view score, enter I for instructions, and enter Q to quit. So each of these variables has one function each to perform. So if we press I, it would go up and clean. It would go up and run, perform, execute this function, void help, and it would print the general instructions. So you can press any key to go back to main home, since this function is also associated with not set into any variable getch. It will automatically go back to main home. So like this, I press any key. So yeah. Similarly, when you press H, it will go up and run the function void display score. Display score.
Here.
So this display score, which is this function also associated with write score function, where you store your name and the score you get. If your score is the high score, your score would be stored at the view high score. So we like show the output. Try please. So here, so since there's no review had started yet, so the score is 0. So press any key to go back to home. Okay. So there, Troy, it's your turn to start.
So I am here to discuss about this one. What is one? Oh, here. This, if we choose S here, if we choose S, then this is starting the review. So this is the one I am discussing too. So sorry, I need to build again so that anytime we could use that one. And then here. So since we choose S, which is to start the program, then we could enter our first name for the saving purposes. So that one. Start. So my name is Troy. So there. Then I need enter. So that's one. So we are now in the easy round. That easy round. Okay. So in the easy round, so this part, it has nothing to do with your answer, because it is just part of the beautification of our program. So here. So here it it is said that it is requested to read the instructions first before starting. So if you want to proceed to if you have already read the instructions, then you wish to proceed and press Y, and if you haven't read it, then you need to press N. So here, so if N, so we need to go to main home or go back to the introduction part. So again, we have to clear the screen. Then where are we now? So now we are now in the questions and how we formulate the question. So first we need to print the question, print f the question, then also the multiple choices. So as we all know, the board exams are all multiple choice, so we make a reviewer which is also multiple choice for such convenience. Then we have here the count q, or the increment count q plus plus, or the increment count q. This is the number, or it counts the number of the answered questions, but not totally the correct answer, but then the answered question, whether it's wrong or correct. So here, for this example in number 1, the correct answer is letter A. So if you input letter A there, so it says correct because it's A. So as you can see, we have also the increment count R. So that one count. That means it counts also, but not all the numbers, but it's only the correct answers that you have done. As we can see, it is only in the correct part. So if you have answer B, C, or D, then for sure it's wrong. So for example, it's B. So correct answer is letter A, so it's wrong. And then there's nothing to do with the increment count R there because it's not correct. Then so here we ask about if you wish to continue again. So if you input yes, then we will be clearing the screen, then proceed to the other number. Then if you wish to say no, then you need to go back to the main home or to the introduction part. Then let's skip from number 2 to 20 because they're just the same. They're just the same functions, commands, everything. So we need to go to the scoring. We are already in the scoring part in each round. So here we have the score is equal to the float. The data type float is present here to make our datas with decimal points. So float is float counter count R, then over is equal to float count Q. So as we all know, count R is for the correct answers we have gathered, and the count Q is for the total number of questions we went through. So here we print the score for the easy round. It's your score. Then we are asked again if you want to continue to medium round. So if you put yes, then the screen will be cleared again, and you will be proceeding to the medium round with another set of instructions, but just the same functions and command with the easy round. And if you wish to say no, then you just input N and you will be going to the main home. So from the easy round is just the same with the medium round with a difficulty of functions we've used. So it's just the same together with the hard round. So it is all the same. It is just that the question itself varies from one round to another, because easy round is for the easy questions, medium is for the medium questions, and for the hard round is for the hard questions. So
Okay, now let's continue. So the same idea with what Troy said to the easy and medium hard scoring. So here, this time your score will be judged. So your score will be printed with the total score, your average score, which is in 2 decimal places. So your score will be judged based on what the score you get. So from 60 to 41. So
Great. Very good. You've passed. So from 42
to
to
0,
0,
so it would print almost passed. You need to know more.
then
If 0, then satisfactory.
so let's try the program to run this program. So we need to start review. Start review. My name is Troy. Yeah. And then want to proceed? Yes. So what is the maximum number of symptoms? It's 4. Yes. True. D. Letter D. So that is definitely a very difficult question. Ooh. Oh, again. Let's start it. Let's start to run this program. My name is Troy. First question is no, it's not the first question. Rather, yes. Yeah, first question. Mm, okay. Letter T. Letter C. Oh, it's letter T. I don't know the answer of these questions. I'm just still fresh sophomore mechanical engineering student, so I never know these questions. So I just guess. Just to prove to you how it works. 18 and 19 and 20. So, so that is the my score. My score is 9 out of 20. So I need to proceed to medium round? So A. I need to make this rushing like any guy. So my final score is 23 out of 60, and I need to final result. I need to see the final result, and yes, oh my God, your average score is 38.33%. Then satisfactory result is you failed the review. So do you want to repeat the review? So no. So go back to the start. So bye guys.